If you have never heard of Himalayan salt before, it means you missed one of the miracles of the world. Himalayan salt is a light pink color and is widely used in cooking, which means you'll absolutely love G-Salt. G-Salt is not an ingredient for cooking, but it's also a tool. You can put G-Salt on the grill bot and roast all types of meat. It will also serve as a cooking board, where you can slice anything you want and look damn cool at the same time. G-Salt is comprehensive, meaning you can put it in the oven without any worries, on the stovetop, just anywhere you wish. By the way, G-Salt is so easy to use on the stovetop, you can roast and slice meat or fish at the same time. And that's not enough. G-Salt is not meant for serving only meat, but whatever it be, most importantly, G-Salt doesn't ask for much care. It has an antibacterial surface. Just wash it with water, then dry. Pre-order your G-Salt today with special discount and free shipping only on Indiegogo.